And we are staying with the big developing story coming in from Mumbai, where Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan has been produced in court. The hearing in his bail plea is underway as we bring you this broadcast. In that Mumbai court, Aryan Khan along with his friend Arbaz Merchant have been produced. Their lawyers are present. The Narcotics Control Bureau officials and their legal counsel are also present. Aryan Khan's custody is being asked for till October the 11th by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Aryan Khan has claimed that no illegal substances or drugs were found on him. He says that he was a special invitee on the cruise and had no contact with the organizers or the cruise owners. So all eyes now on the court and whether Aryan Khan, the son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, will be granted bail. The Narcotics Control Bureau that has his custody till later this evening is demanding custody of Aryan Khan till October the 11th. That's 5 more days. Now, remember, Arbaz Merchant's lawyer, Arbaz Merchant is the second guy who was also arrested along with Aryan Khan. He's a friend of Aryan's. Arbaz Merchant's lawyer in court says that both Aryan and Arbaz are being made scapegoats in this entire controversy. India Today's frontline reporters Divyesh Singh and Pankaj Upadhyay have been reporting every aspect of this unfolding story since Saturday evening. They joined me live from the city of Mumbai, where that court hearing is taking place at this time. Divyesh, Aryan Khan was taken from the Narcotics Control Bureau to the court. They are at the court right now. All the arguments are being made. We're updating our viewers on every aspect of arguments being made from the Narcotics Bureau side as well as the Defense Council side. What are you hearing? By when could there be a decision? Basically, the Narcotics Control Bureau says it has enough evidence to justify wanting his custody till October 11th, Divyesh.
Shiv, as of now, the Narcotics Control Bureau has brought to light the WhatsApp chats, the details of the WhatsApp chats that were retrieved from Aryan Khan's phone, from Arbaz Merchant's phone. There are chat messages where discussion regarding procurement of drugs, consumption of drugs has happened, and this is what NCB is stating that is the evidence that has been put forth to the court seeking further custody. They are also stating that they need to find out the further supply chain of who all were involved, who all were the drug peddlers or suppliers with whom these accused persons were in touch with. Other than that, they've also stated that it could be that Aryan Khan could have links to some international drug cartel, but the defense has completely refuted, defense has completely stated these allegations as baseless. They've been stating that there were no drugs found in possession of Aryan Khan, no drugs were found in possession of Arbaz Merchant or Munmun Dhamecha. They've clearly stated that none of the accused persons had any links with the other persons who've been arrested. They've also said that they did not consume drugs. So what is the case being made for? That is what the defense counsels for Arbaz Merchant, for Aryan Khan and Munmun Dhamecha have cited. Satish Manish,
yes,
the senior counsel representing Aryan Khan, has been arguing for that bail be granted to Aryan Khan. Remember, Aryan Khan was placed under arrest yesterday. Then he was produced in court by evening. The court sent him for a day's custody, which got over today, following which he was again produced in court by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Narcotics Control Bureau has also cited that there are raids going on in connection with the drug bust that has happened on the cruise liner, which left Mumbai. And again, this morning there was a search operation again carried on the ship, on the vessel of the cruise liner when it docked at the Mumbai port. There's a drug peddler who's been arrested, who is right now in the NCB custody, identified as Shreyas Nair.
Right.
And further links to some of the drug peddlers or drug suppliers. That is what the NCB states needs to be found out, and that is why they are seeking custody of Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant, and the other accused involved.
Let me also bring in Pankaj Upadhyay, who's been tracking this story. Pankaj, the NCB says that they've got all this incriminating evidence against Aryan Khan. So there is the possibility, we can't second guess what the court is going to say. But basically what the Narcotics Control Bureau has asked of this court is, they've presented this prima facie evidence in front of the court, correct me if I'm wrong, and basically said, we can dig deeper if you give us longer custody of this young man. That's what they've said.
That's right. Shiv, if you remember, yesterday the Narcotics Control Bureau had only pressed consumption charges on Aryan Khan. And they had said yesterday enough that their investigation is ongoing and that they would be seeking 2 days remand because they feel there are many more drug peddlers who are in connect with the respondents, and that newer and finer details would be coming out. And after that, we saw how overnight raids were conducted in various parts of Mumbai. And take two, we saw how the zonal head, Samir Wankhede himself, went on board the cruise liner. And after that, we were told new recoveries were made. The quantity is yet not known. And then he brought 8 more people to the NCB headquarters, saying that they also have link with this drug bust case. And now, before the court, the Narcotics Control Bureau has said that they have the crucial and the vital WhatsApp chat communication, which shows that these respondents were in fact in a nexus with the drug peddlers, and this is not a story of 1 or 2 days, but they were in connect with these drug peddlers for a very, very long time. Confidently, NCB has also said that these people were dealing with code names and that international transactions would be discussed. They say they have details of the transactions and how these codes were being used, and that international drug trafficking was also going on. So the NCB has made this a very serious issue, and NCB argues that since its investigation is ongoing and these people are very important characters to the entire story, if they are not given further remand, how will they burst the entire nexus? How are they going to get to the other people?
And that decision could be taken any moment now. Pankaj and Divyesh, stay with me. That decision by the court could be taken any moment now. The big question is Aryan Khan going to get bail? 36 hours, over 24 hours after his arrest, is there going to be bail for Shah Rukh Khan's son? Because this is serious trouble for Aryan Khan, as the Narcotics Control Bureau has now decided to seek his custodial extension till the 11th of October. The Narcos state that they have found incriminating evidence, as described just now by our 2 reporters. Aryan Khan's mobile phone is in the possession of the Narcotics Control Bureau. They say that they have found pictures. They say they've found chats of a nature suggesting procuring drugs in bulk on Aryan Khan's phone. This is not us saying it, this is the Narcotics Control Bureau. The NCB further says that there are links in the form of pictures and chats that are pointing towards some kind of international drug trafficking. This has been outright denied by Aryan Khan's side and his counsel, Satish Manishinde. The Narcotics Control Bureau also claims that there are discussions about modes of payment to be done for procurement. Several code names have also been used allegedly by Aryan Khan. The Narcos argue that there are several suspected characters whose identification needs to be done in the case, and that's why they want extension till the 11th of October. Now, defending Aryan Khan, advocate Satish Manishinde, whose name might sound familiar to our viewers, he was Riya Chakravarti's lawyer last year as well. In court, he has just said that Aryan was a special invitee on board this particular luxury rave cruise as a member of Bollywood, and he did not even spend a single penny boarding the cruise. Manishinde, the lawyer, argues that Aryan had no contact with the organizers or the ship owners, and no substance was found in the possession of Aryan. His friend Arbaz Merchant was found in possession of drugs, that too 6 grams of charas. Manishinde says that the Narcos have seized drugs are not known to Aryan Khan and have nothing to do with him. And he further says that the NCB has downloaded Aryan's chats and linked it with some kind of international drug racket. At that time, he was studying abroad and returned only 3 to 4 weeks ago. Now, Manish Shinde has accused the Narcotics Control Bureau of levelling very serious allegations against Aryan Khan. He's also said that the court can go through Aryan Khan's WhatsApp chats and there are no grounds to detain him further. So that brings us to the big question. Will the court grant Shah Rukh Khan's son bail any moment now, or will it grant custody to the Narcotics Control Bureau? On your screen now are the 6 images of Aryan Khan since he was detained late on Saturday evening. The superstar's son, take a look. These are all the available images of Aryan Khan since he was detained and then arrested. He has been in NCB detention since the past 48 hours after he was arrested along with 7 others in this high-profile drug bust from that Mumbai cruise. So these are the 6 images of Aryan Khan. He's had a mask on the entire time, from detention to arrest to production at hospital to production in court. India Today brings you all 6 images of Aryan Khan so far. Now, Shah Rukh Khan is learned to have spoken to his son, obviously father and son, who spent the night in the Narcotics Control Bureau custody in this cruise case. Sources say that as part of the legal process, the Narcotics Control Bureau got Aryan to speak to Shah Rukh Khan on the landline for about 2 minutes. It is also learned that Aryan was continuously crying while being interrogated by the Narcotics Control Bureau. In interrogation has revealed that Aryan has been consuming drugs for almost 4 years now. The Narcos have told India Today that he consumed drugs even outside India during his visit to the UK, Dubai and other foreign nations. Divesh, where is Shah Rukh Khan right now? We know that Gauri Khan, had come to see her son. She had left Mannat a short while ago as well. Where is Shah Rukh Khan? He has spoken to his son, but he is not emerged yet on this story.
Shiv, what we've learned from our sources that Shah Rukh Khan is at his residence. He had planned to go outdoor for a shoot, but that shoot was cancelled after this particular case happened, after this particular incident came to light, and his son Aryan Khan was detained by Narcotics Control Bureau. That is what we've learned, and as of now, the only information that we have, relying on our sources from NCB, that Shah Rukh Khan has spoken for a few minutes over the phone with his son after his arrest was official, after his arrest had happened, and he was remanded to custody. NCB officials allowed him to call up his residence, and then he informed about his arrest. That is a formality. That is, every accused who's placed under arrest is allowed to make one phone call to his family members informing about the arrest. So it was initially regarding the arrest that Aryan Khan had informed, and following when he was granted a day's custody, Shah Rukh Khan spoke to Aryan Khan at the NCB office landline number for a few minutes. But details regarding the conversation are not known, haven't been divulged by the Narcotics Control Bureau. It is only that Aryan Khan had been he'd been disturbed after his arrest, and he'd been crying while he was being interrogated by the Narcotics Control Bureau. He also broke down several times when the interrogators tried to question him while he was in custody. Shiv?
Pankaj, if I could come to you, can you give us a sense of, what the reactions have been like in the industry so far? Very few people have come out and spoken. There have been people like Pooja Bhatt, Suchitra Krishnamurthy and a few others who've come out and expressed empathy and solidarity with Shah Rukh Khan. But the rest of Bollywood, has tried to play it sort of safe. They don't want to, come out and, get involved in this entire messy affair. What kind of rumblings are you hearing from within the industry?
Shiv, we saw Salman Khan, who met Shah Rukh Khan and family in Mannat. That was last evening. We saw Salman Khan's sister and brother-in-law also visiting Shah Rukh Khan. That was yesterday. We've also seen how another actor, Sunil Shetty, has come out in open support of not just Shah Rukh Khan, but also he came out in support of Aryan Khan as well. In fact, he went on to say that whenever there is any search conducted by the NCB, then Bollywood becomes the target of the media houses, and that he personally knows Aryan Khan. He is a very good boy, and that he would want to wait for the final outcome. And then he would like to comment, but he has said that nothing wrong would have been done by Aryan Khan. Pooja Bhatt, we saw on Twitter coming out in support of Shah Rukh Khan. I believe she said something on the lines that she lends all support to Shah Rukh Khan, even though she knows that Shah Rukh Khan does not need support, but she still lends her support. And there were other stars as well who've lent their support to Shah Rukh Khan. But by and large, if one were to think that Shah Rukh Khan being called the king of Bollywood, the big Badshah, and one would have expected that entire Bollywood would come and support Shah Rukh Khan, that has not really happened. Perhaps this could also be because of the reason that other film stars also realize that the NCP has been in a total active mode over the last 1.5 years, and as NCB officials themselves say, that ever since the Sushant case, which was official case number to the Sushant case was 16, and now the case number for this present case is around 105, an extent of how active the NCB really has been with regards to bursting the various drug syndicates in and around Mumbai. And NCB also clearly says that they realize that there is a very big nexus inside Bollywood as well, and hence from day one it has been their endeavor to bring out the culprit and arrest them. This could perhaps be one of the reasons why many Bollywood celebrities do not want to come out in the open as well. But yes, a state of suspense continues over Aryan Khan. What judgment finally the judge is going to pronounce today. Both sides are still arguing. The arguments and counter arguments are being given. But quickly, if I may also give the reasonings that have been given by the lawyers of Munmun Dhamecha, and the lawyer said that Munmun was also only a guest, and that she was not a party with either Aryan Khan or Arbaz Merchant, and that she was also not a consumer of the drugs. So Munmun has also denied consuming the drugs. On the other hand, as far as Arbaz's lawyer is concerned, they maintain that if certain degree of charas, that is 5 grams of charas, has been recovered, and the NCB talks about innumerable chats, then what about the connect? Now, these lawyers are obviously indicating that corroborative evidence has to be produced by the Narcotics Control Bureau, merely saying that the two were thinking of consuming the drugs is not enough.
Okay.
And that they have also said that the two have been made scapegoats, and that they have a high profile, and that is the reason why they are being cornered right now.
Divyesh and Pankaj, thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining me on that. We'll come back to you when we've got an update from court. Now, the Narcotics Control Bureau is continuing its crackdown after that Saturday night flare-up when they detained all those youngsters from the cruise ship. Then they went on to arrest them. Now the Narcotics Control Bureau has raided the cruise ship once again this morning. A team of 20 officers from the led by Zonal Director Samir Wankhede questioned the crew members on board the ship once it docked in Mumbai. It is learnt that 8 people have been detained after mephedrone drug was recovered in big quantities. Now, the Narcotics Control Bureau has a list of all guests who were part of the cruise party, from which the agency has filtered in names in connection with the drug probe. The agency is also raiding many locations in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Goa to look for them. Now remember, the Narcos have carried out overnight raids at multiple locations across Mumbai as well, as a follow-up to its Saturday night drug bust on board that ship. The agency is learned to have recovered large quantities of drugs in these raids as well.
नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम एक बार फिर पहुंच चुकी है। आप देख पा रहे हैं शिप पर, उसी शिप पर जहां पर रेव पार्टी चल रही थी, और वहां पर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो के मुंबई के जो चीफ है समीर वानखेड़े, वो भी यहाँ पर पहुँच गए हैं और एक बार फिर से यहाँ पर जो सर्च ऑपरेशन है वो चलाया जाएगा। आपको बता दें कि इसी शिप में छापेमारी करके शाहरुख खान के बेटे आर्यन खान को गिरफ्तार किया था। कुल मिलाकर 8 लोगों की गिरफ्तारी हुई थी, बड़े पैमाने पर ड्रग्स की रिकवरी हुई थी। तो एक बार फिर यहाँ पर इसी गेट से एंट्री की है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम ने और सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जाएगा। आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर जो मुंबई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कुछ टर्मिनल है, इसी टर्मिनल के अंदर नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम पहुंची हुई है। जो शिप है वो आज सुबह ही वो शिप जिसमें रेव पार्टी चल रही थी वो आज सुबह ही इस टर्मिनल पर पहुंची है, जिसके बाद नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की भारी भरकम टीम पहले से यहाँ पर पहुंची हुई थी। समीर वानखेड़े यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए और लगातार अब फिर से सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जाएगा। जो क्रूज के मेंबर हैं उनसे पूछताछ यहाँ पर की जाएगी।
It was a normal music festival. So I got to know some people were carrying drugs. But that doesn't mean every member in the ship is carrying drugs. We were all clean. No, they have not questioned anyone. They got tip from someone and they were pickpointed, 4, 5 people and they were arrested.
Okay.
Yeah, well, they never boarded the ship. The person who got arrested, they never boarded the ship.
Okay.
They got arrested from the terminal only.
बहुत देर से बहुत टाइम से रुका हुआ था। सुनने में आया था कि एनसीबी ने रेड किया है, तो हमारा मॉर्निंग में 5 बजे यहाँ से मूव किया है क्रूज। कुछ भी वर्क मतलब सबको बैठा रखा था, कुछ बता नहीं रहे थे। एनसीबी अंदर था, पुलिस भी अंदर था, पूरा डिपार्टमेंट ये वो, और सबको मतलब चेक कर रहे थे ये सब। नहीं, अभी कोई पूछताछ नहीं हुई। बाकी वो नमस्ते के जो इवेंट वाले हैं उनको बैठा रखा है। नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। लोगों को जाने दे रहे हैं वो, कोई प्रॉब्लम जब तक उन्हें लग नहीं रहा कि कोई इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व है वो, उससे पहले किसी को भी कोई परेशान नहीं कर रहे, जाने दे रहे हैं वो।
Now, ever since the news of Aryan Khan's arrest broke out, a wave of support for Shah Rukh Khan has emerged from sections of B-Town. Some parts are conspicuous by their silence, but Bollywood star Salman Khan late last night visited Mannat, Shah Rukh Khan's resident at Bandra Bandstand, to meet his Karan Arjun co-star. Speaking exclusively to India Today, also actor Sunil Shetty urged people not to assume the worst and let all facts come out. While actor turned filmmaker Pooja Bhatt wrote on Twitter, and I quote, "I stand in solidarity with you and this too shall pass." Actor Suchitra Krishnamurthy also took to Twitter to extend support to Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan's son Aryan Khan, who was arrested yesterday, is now sitting in court, and he along with his legal team will be wondering whether they are going to get that bail after 24 hours in Narcotics Control Bureau custody. Any moment now we'll get that breaking news. Either it's going to be bail or it's going to be extended custody with the Narcotics Control Bureau. But little is actually known about Aryan Khan, who has flashed across television screens for the last 36 hours. He chooses to stay out of the limelight. Shah Rukh Khan had earlier said that his son has no aspirations to become an actor and would rather direct films in Bollywood. Here's everything we know about Aryan Khan.
Bollywood megastar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, who mostly stays away from the public eye. The first child of Shah Rukh and Gauri Khan. Aryan graduated from the University of Southern California earlier this year. A full-fledged Bollywood debut still eluding him despite the grapevines and buzz. Defying trends of other star kids who choose an acting career straight out of school. However, according to Shah Rukh, Aryan doesn't want to be an actor yet. In an interview, Shah Rukh had said that neither Aryan nor his daughter Suhana had been groomed to be actors, adding that while Suhana has been inclined to an acting career, Aryan wanted to be a director and a filmmaker. Aryan's graduation ceremony photo went viral in May this year, where he was seen in his graduation robe holding his certificate. One cannot miss the name written below Aryan's photo. It read, Aryan Shah Rukh Khan. Aryan Khan was awarded a bachelor's degree in fine arts, cinematic arts, film and television production, School of Cinematic Arts. He graduated from the Sevenoaks High School in London in 2016. Bureau Report, India Today.